जिल्ह्यासाठी बुधवारपर्यंत 3 दिवस पावसाचा येलो अलर्ट दिला आहे। काही भागात आज मुसळधार पावसाची शक्यता हवामान विभागाने व्यक्त केली आहे। दरम्यान रविवारी सकाळी 11 वाजेपर्यंत गेल्या 24 तासात जिल्ह्यात सरासरी 16.5 मिलीमीटर पाऊस झाला। गेल्या काही दिवसांपासून जिल्ह्याला वळीवाचा पावसाचा तडाखा बसत आहे। बुधवारपर्यंत जिल्ह्याच्या अनेक भागात पाऊस होणार आहे। बुधवार दिनांक 15 नंतर मात्र वातावरण मोकळे राहील अशीही शक्यता आहे। आज जिल्ह्याच्या काही भागात अतिवृष्टी होईल असाही अंदाज हवामान खात्याने वर्तवला आहे।
Sir Ammubai Patil English Medium School and Junior College. Pre-NDA Training Center, CBSE pattern and military pattern, approved by Government of Maharashtra. Sir Ammubai Patil English Medium School believes that a better future lies where and students can learn themselves. Graded excellent by state and CBSE pattern for systematic scholastic and co-scholastic work. At Sir Ammubai Patil English Medium School, academic subjects and extracurricular activities complement each other to develop socially skilled and healthier students. Theories and concepts are well understood by performing scientific experiments on their own. At Sir Ammubai Patil English Medium School, we encourage students to think independently and develop their own skills.
I want to become an aeronautical engineer.
I want to become an athlete and win gold for our country.
I want to be a IAS officer.
When I grow up, I will build a school for poor children.
Sir Ammubai Patil English Medium School and Junior College. Address: Gokul Shirgaon, Taluka Karved, District Kolhapur. 9326617509, 9371331176.